Well guys, I'm going to do an old start, cold start on the Chevy Avalanche. But it is raining like hell right now. And the wind is coming up. I don't see lightning or anything. So I'm going to take a really fast dive out in the back there. And my camera's going to get wet. I'm going to get wet and everything else. Because it's woke me up this morning thundering here. There we go. Hasn't been started since Friday, I think it was. Check the transfer case. Dry. Hasn't been started for a week, almost. So I thought, why fuck it? Why not do an old start, cold start on it, or whatever you call it? It's been sitting for a week. I haven't even touched this truck. I don't even know what the hell it's gonna do. If it's gonna blow up or what. Should start. It's a Chevy. All right. There's mud right there. There you go. Old start, cold start. 2002 Chevy Avalanche. And she's raining pretty good now. Well, I gotta go to work. I am late. Kinda. Nah. Whenever I want to show up, I'm not late. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and follow me on Twitter. I thought I'd do an old start, cold start. It wasn't started since Friday. And you can see it started pretty damn good. Alright, take care guys.